Have you ever applied the mascara before?
No.
Is that your first time to do the mascara?
This is first time for everything.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Hycoco.
Hi beauties! Welcome back to Hikoco's channel. Today's video will be special to us because we have invited Hikoco's Beauty Style Studio. Hi!
So I'm Lila. I'm currently a uni student on my first year, and it's my first time using my makeup today.
Do you normally shop in Hikoco?
I only went there 2 times before, and every experience was quite nice because everyone was giving me opinions. It was mostly hair products like hair serum and hair dyes.
Oh.
Yeah.
Which one do you like the most out of it?
I think it's the hair serum, but I'm not quite sure.
But the perfect Mijangsen, the
Oh,
perfect
yeah.
serum.
Yeah.
Do you like it?
I bought it 3 times already.
Ah.
Oh, so nice.
What kind of makeup style do you like?
I think I like the Korean makeup the most. It's really natural. And maybe lighter eyebrows and just really light makeup, not too strong. So I have really dry skin, so I really need to maybe like find products that actually hydrate my skin while like doing makeup at the same time. And maybe get contour to get rid of my square face.
What? You don't even have a sculpture.
My flat nose needs a lot of contouring.
So before we start makeup, maybe we can do quick skincare on you.
Yeah.
Oh, that's your headband.
So cute.
Then I just gonna do a quick water cleansing. We can do a quick toner mask before we start. So we start with the base makeup. So as you got like a dry acne prone skin, I'm going to use Blemish Cover Cushion. So this one is good for blemishes or acne prone skin as it comes with a Scintilla Aesthetica, which is good for calming and soothing. For the acne prone skin and the dryness, you should do like a layering with the foundation or any kind of base makeup. So if you like put too much at once, it's going to be too cakey. That's why I go with the cushion type, because it comes with the puff and you can control the amount of the foundation on your skin. We can do like a thin layering on your skin, so it creates really natural skin texture. So once you pump it, it's too yellow. You can see, right?
I can tell it looks light on it.
Just keep patting on your skin with little amount of foundation.
What did you do?
You scratch it.
I'm touching.
Oh my god!
And I was holding her up and I was like, oh, so cute.
Oh, what kind of breed? Bichon. Oh.
Yeah.
Let's move on to the contouring. Because you've told me that you've already tried a powder type on you and you feel like it's a little bit difficult. Today I brought a stick type of contour. This one comes with the highlighter and contouring. For the different face shapes, we've got all the different ways to do the contouring. It's really easy to do because this is a stick type, so you can just draw the guideline and you can just blend it well with your fingertips, or you can just do it with a puff. And you've got really small face, so you don't actually have to do a lot of contouring.
So I would like my face to look less brown and more sharp, maybe.
Okay, so this part you don't like this chubby cheek. It's not even chubby, but you told me that's a chubby. You smile. See this part? You can just hide it with the contouring stick.
I just smile and then I just go.
Yes. And can you smile again? Right.
It's gone.
Yeah, it's gone. And over here, the chin, just slightly. You can contour around this area to make your nose to be a little bit up. Right. So you just smudge a little bit, and it comes with a highlighter stick. I'm not doing it on your cheek, I only do it on the tip of your nose. Around here, and you say you got a flat nose, so I'm just gonna add a bit on the nose bridge. Blend it with fingertips. So this is a powder type of blusher, rose pink color, and it all suits on your skin tones. So for the natural looking, you're not putting too much on your face. So, and as you've got really small face, I'm going to apply around your center of your face. So it will be like more 3D shape, more defined. At the center of your face. And that comes with a bit of glitter. And onto the eyebrows. What kind of eyebrow shape you want to have?
Less arched. Maybe try to make my triangle eyebrows less obvious.
First of all, just brush up your brows. And then I'm just going to draw up the outline. And then shave.
Oh my god.
Do you like it?
Yeah. Oh my god.
You can just fill it up with the eyebrow pencil. So your eyebrows will be here. And then use the brush to blend it. Right, so let's move on to the eye makeup. So this one is a taping shadow from Heimish. Easy peasy shadow that's perfect for the makeup beginners. Comes with 3 different colors. Brush. So once you swipe and just do it on your eyelids, and that's it. So I'll do it on this side and you can try on the other side with this one, okay? So I'm going to try with this brown color and the coral color. So just one swipe. Swipe.
It's just like, oh.
Yes, that's right.
Okay.
And no, it's alright, all good. Okay, and just blend it with your fingertips.
What the just?
So I've choose the pencil type of eyeliner, which is Clio Sharp So Simple. To the makeup beginner, I normally recommend them to try pencil liner first and then they can move on to like a pen type or felt type or whatever. It's because the liquid type of eyeliner, it's a bit hard to get rid of it. I've chose the brown eyeliner, it's because it creates really natural looking. If you go with the black one, it defines your eye shapes, but it will be very bulky and very strong. Starting with the end of your eyes. And just draw a very thin line. I draw the line along your eye shapes from the middle of my eye to the end of your eyes. If you draw the line to the up, it can be like a cat eye look. If you go down, it looks like a puppy drippy eyes. And if you go straight a little bit more, it's gonna be really natural eye makeup. Violet already got a droopy eye, so I just get lines to build slightly up, so it's gonna be defines your eye shapes and it looks still natural. Okay, ready for this?
Yes.
Maybe you can do it by yourself because
Yeah.
I don't really want to pinch your eyes. So what you can do is look down and you put all the lashes into this color and just like not do it at once, just like slightly curling like 3 to 4 times. Yes.
I have no idea what's going on. Wait, where is my
That's good. Put your lashes in. Almost there. No.
I'll blink. It's gonna all come off, isn't it?
That's alright. Okay, don't worry. Get me. Okay, take a deep breath.
2,000 years later.
Yes! Perfect! Yes! Look at this!
Oh.
So this fixer, actually this is not a mascara, this is like a mascara fixer, which is like fixing your lashes to be up for a long time. But this one is a black, like tinted one. So for the makeup beginner who wants to get like a natural looking, you can start off with this one. For the mascara, is you just look down and you do like quick zigzag motion and look.
Is that how I did?
No!
Oh.
Yeah!
Oh,
Oh,
that's it?
yeah!
Oh.
so pretty. So you want to get like a natural lip color or slightly like vivid color?
Okay.
Okay, so this is number 4, Passion Apple, one of my favorite color. So I'm going to show you the Korean typical lip makeup, which is a gradation lips. Just raise the lip lines, pack it from the middle.
I don't think I'm ever going to be able to recreate that.
No, you can do that. It's really easy. So makeup's done, hair's done. Ta-da! How was it today?
Also, I had an amazing experience. I'll definitely try it again and try
Right.
it myself as well, and hopefully look similar to this as well.
We didn't have enough experiences that like beauties coming to our studio and we do like a makeover or like tutorials. Maybe we were a bit wobbly and I made some mistakes on you, but I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And thank you for being so patient and thanks for coming today.
Oh, thank you for your help as well. I learned a lot today.
Oh, thank you. So all the products that I've tried on you, it's all gifts. So you can take it with
Thank
you
you so
and you can try it at home and let me know how it goes on your skin. Don't forget to like,
And subscribe.
leave the comment down below. And until next time, bye beauties. Let's be pretty.